Go to the website, sports.nintendo.com. Then scroll all the way down, till you reach Register for the Nintendo Switch Sports Online Play Test. You can see here that players with an active Nintendo Switch Online membership, including trial membership, can register. Also, you must be logged into your Nintendo account to register for a code. You will have to load up the Nintendo Switch Sports Online Play Test at one of the following times. But first you will need to register. To register, press the Register Now button. Press the Redeem button. For me it doesn't show the button because I have already redeemed my code. But once you redeem, you need to copy the code and press the Access Now button. Paste the code that you copied in the field. It should be successful for you, but for me it shows an error because I have already done this. Go to your Nintendo Switch and the game should start downloading. Once done, open it. You will have to load up the Nintendo Switch Sports Online Play Test at one of the following times.